chasing highs to stay alive.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. I am so happy to have you, and in today's video you're going to see some real life messes and we're going to take care of them together. And I hope this video gives you some Sunday cleaning motivation and take care of the things on your to-do list, or if it gives you something entertaining to watch while you're relaxing. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out.
Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night. Without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation.
So I started things off in my bedroom today. I also bought these new curtains for my windows because I've had the ones that are up there for quite some time, and I thought it'd be nice to change it up in here. So grab you a cup of coffee or some tea and let's get to changing these curtains here.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words.
Okay, you guys, so this is the curtains up there. They look really, really cute. And then as you go down, look what happens. They're too short. They need to come down to at least here. So I'm gonna have to take them back because they're too short. So anyway, now I'm gonna take them down. Okay guys, so we're moving on to my kitchen. We'll come back to the master bedroom another day because I need to buy some new curtains. But this is my kitchen. This is a real life mess. And I have to tell you guys, these dishes and my kitchen has been a mess for probably about 2 days now. So this is some real life here. I try to keep my channel very realistic and relatable. And that way you guys don't think it's perfect over here, because that is not the case. I am human and I do fall behind. And yes, I get distracted. So I have good days and I have some bad days, but today is going to be the day that I'm getting everything caught up and we are doing this together. So I'm going to get started by unloading this dishwasher, putting all the dishes away, and then I'm going to reload it with the dishes in the sink. wash this pizza pan and my iron skillet, and I'm going to give this thing a good scrub. And I was thinking maybe now is a good time for me to reintroduce myself. If you are new to my channel or if this is your first time clicking on my videos, like I said earlier, my name is Malicia. I'm a working mom to 3 kids, ranging in age from 25 to 9. My husband Donnie and I have been married for 13 years. Our kids' names are Zara, Jonte, and Chase. My mom also lives with us and her name is Inez. She has a furry friend named Ace, and I'm sure you guys see him around on the camera sometime. On my channel, you will find a lot of cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, DIYs, and organization and declutter. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, then why don't you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Okay, so now to cleaning my countertops. Comment below and let me know if you feel this way as well, but I cannot stand clutter on my countertops. I try really hard to keep this space very minimum because I like a nice clean space, and I definitely believe less is more. So I try to do my best to get rid of things that I don't need. And so if you agree with me, comment below and let's do this decluttering journey together by getting rid of things you don't need. Maybe we can start with one cabinet at a time and we can keep doing this together.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 Dance, dance, dance,
on to the other side of the kitchen. I'm going to clear this table off and give it a good wipe down. As Chase was sick this week, he actually caught a cold, and so that's why he has his nebulizer machine out, and there are Kleenexes all over the table where he was sitting here playing on the computer and blowing his nose.
For sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Wanna sabotage. You're a million. On the floor, we know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish the video here vacuuming my floors. It was a really long day, and by the time I got to this part in my video, I was ready to start editing and get this up for you guys. I want to say thank you so very much for watching today's video. Whether you're a returning subscriber or it's your first time here, I'm so grateful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.